This is my hub box. And this is my Project Green Challenge Day 3 and 4 Greenest prize package. See? This is my teacher married to wine. This is my Project Green Challenge unpacking. That was the slip I got, and this is a bunch of green packing. First off, we have a Kala cloth beeswax cloth saran wrap substitute. Next up, we have some Chico Bag cosmetic bags. Then we have some Clean Canteen stainless steel straws with silicone tips. My class was very excited about this one. We also have a Clean Canteen stainless steel pint glass, presumably to go with the stainless steel straws. Next up, we have the Clean Canteen stainless steel water bottle, thermal insulated. Then we also have the Chico Bag day sack, which is really, really awesome. And finally, we have the Arbana sack, which is a wood-based fiber cosmetic bag. To top it all off, we have a bunch of paper for the packaging, a completely green packaging. Like seriously, guys, this is how you package. This is my school. Well, some of it. And this is me.